Hey everyone, it's Nox TV at ngayong araw tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-inquire ng iyong cash card or ATM ba dyan, no, sa ating Land Bank app. Ito. At kung wala ka pang Land Bank app, just go to your Play Store and search mo lang ang Land Bank app. And then you installed it. After mo naman ito ma-installed, just open mo lang, and after mo ma-open, ganito na ang lalabas sa inyong Land Bank app. Ito, and makikita mo maraming pagpipilian. Merong just pwede ka mag-log in, at yung ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-inquire ng inyong cash card or ATM ba dyan. Just scroll down, ito makikita kayong cash card inquiry. Pindutin mo lang and then put your number. As you can see, nakasave na rito ang aking card number, and I will put my PIN na lang, and then just stop login, and then tada, tayo nakapasok na sa ating Land Bank account, and naka-inquire na po tayo. Pwede na po nating makita ang ating balance. Ayan ang aking balance sa aking cash card. Just kung gusto mo mag-log out, pindutin mo lang yung arrow sa gilid at ayan na. And that's all. I hope nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo, and don't forget to click subscribe button and like my video na rin, and I will appreciate it. Thank you and God bless.